Hi guys, it's the Norfolk Tractor Boy here, and today we're going to be cold starting the McCulloch Mac 310 chainsaw. So this hasn't been started for about a week and a half, so it is completely cold. But yeah, I just thought I'd do a video on cold starting it. So what we're going to do first is we're just going to take the chain guard off and then place it on the floor. I don't know how well you guys can see, but the bottom switch, which is this one here, if we just pull it up, that is choke on. So now that the choke is on, we're just gonna come round and make sure that it's switched on. That's now switched on. So let's now cold start it. There we go guys, so it started up. It is a bit smoky, but that is a cold start, and it probably does have a bit too much two-stroke oil in it, or more two-stroke oil than it should. So the mixing ratio is probably not quite right, but it only hurts the engine if you put too much petrol in and not enough two-stroke oil, so it should be fine. Right, so that's going to be where this video ends. If you enjoyed it, please consider liking and subscribing, and yeah, bye for now.